Good morning. Today is the 7th of May. I'm here in Barcelona in a beautiful park next to Park Güell, and I'm thinking about our approach to nature, that at some point we rediscovering the nature and we are going with the label, let's go back to the nature, let's go back to our roots and so on, and how we started to appreciate the nature, as you see. And I'm actually thinking, why should we go back to nature when maybe we never been in nature? I mean, what means that we want to go in nature? Do we appreciate this life that we have here? I mean, do you know that each tree, each plant, each animal has the same life force that exists in you? And we as humans are actually very stupid, because see what we created. We created a chaos. The nature showed us that this planet can survive without us. It's no problem. Even it will be much better. The water will be much cleaner. The air will be much cleaner. There will be much more animals. Yeah, just one exception, the human will die. And we are killing actually ourselves with our approach to nature, to the environment that we are living in. So we were not really conscious, connected to this incredible environment that we are a part of. We are not gods on this planet. We are part of this planet. First, we should be a citizen of this planet, a citizen of planet Earth. And then if we kind of develop some technology inside us, like how the yogic teaching, for example, are recommending, okay, maybe then we will go to some other level. But okay, still, let's start from the ground. The ground is here, this planet, this earth, this beautiful place. You know how much life, how much intelligence is it even in one rock that you just consider as stupid, as just passing by. But this rock will remain. This rock might remain longer than all of our buildings. This rock might be here thousands of years. And maybe it was here thousands of years. When we consider the civilization before us as very primitive, like thousands of years ago, and we see the artifacts, and we laugh at them because they didn't have so much material goods, television, smartphones. Oh, how stupid were they? Not really, because actually in these times, thousands of years ago, there were civilization much advanced than ours. One of the characteristics of this civilization was that they were in very direct and intensive contact with the forces of nature. We are living forces of nature, with sun, with moon, with all other planets, with the plants, with the animal. Yes, some people say, oh yeah, but we were still killing animals, we were not so different, so on. Yeah, but you know that still there was like a tradition in, for example, certain cultures, where when an animal was killed, they were sitting there praying and being thankful to the soul of this animal, because this animal has sacrificed him and they will eat the meat of the animal. I mean, it was not just killing, eating and forgetting. It was appreciating that this life, this soul is gone and we are eating the meat. So we should be more respectful, I think, more conscious about our environment, and try to connect with this nature and not go back, just be in the nature, and then we shall see.